In the era of Industry 4.0, technologies like digital sensors, IoT, and machine learning algorithms are transforming the manufacturing sector by optimizing operations, reducing downtime, and preventing equipment failures. Powa, Aventune's solution, leverages artificial intelligence to gather data, provide accurate forecasts, and optimize operations. This approach enhances reliability and competitiveness while reducing costs and risks. Powa enables companies to develop an AI-powered predictive maintenance strategy. By using machine learning algorithms and AI, data from IoT sensors, machinery, and monitoring systems are analyzed to predict failures and malfunctions in IoT equipment and systems before they occur. Predictive maintenance evaluates equipment conditions in advance, provides real-time insights into industrial assets through continuous monitoring, and improves efficiency, prevention, and activity reduction. Aventune is your trusted partner, helping you implement an effective predictive maintenance strategy for your business. Choose Aventune. Contact us today for a free demo. Discover more at aventune.com.